Welcome back to the Trembi channel. In today's video, I'll be taking you through how to use SMS marketing within your business and how do you use SMSs inside Trembi. For those that don't know, Trembi is an end-to-end sales and marketing software. So we help businesses get the leads to sell to and turn those leads into actual sales at the end of the day. As part of that process, SMSs come in quite handy, and there are four main ways in which we use SMSs. But before we get into those ways, number one, the first things you need to understand is right here on the left menu, there's what they call contacts. Now, look at a contact as the people that you want to send these messages to. Before you're in position to send any messages, you would need to come here and either add your contacts one by one, put their country codes, put their names, put their emails, put whatever information you need about these people. Then number two, you could also import them in case you have a very big list, but just make sure that when you're importing them, they have the international format, because we facilitate sending messages to different countries. So having the country code enables you send messages to Nigeria, to South Africa, to Kenya, to Uganda, to all these different countries globally. Now the second thing is the lists. The lists, look at these as the segments within your customer base. Now when you're working with these lists, all you have to do is create a new list, and as an example, put a list called maybe my Kenyan customers. I'm just using this as an example. Then you have to use this static list. A static list is like a list where you're going to manually add people onto that list. Then you would be in position to add contacts onto that list. Specifically, keep adding people either here or via the contact section, but you're in position to add these people onto this list. So keep in mind that even within the contact section itself, you're in position to select a given contact or a group of contacts and add them to a list via this very button. Now, once that is done, there are about four main ways that you can send messages out. When number one is in the scenarios that you just want to send a one-off message. As an example, it's someone's happy birthday and you just want to send a message over to them. You could as well come here into the contact section, then select that given contact, click SMS right here, type out whatever it is, and be in position to either schedule from here, send it at a specific time and date, or send it instantly. And this message would automatically go over to the person's phone number. As you can see, this has been sent here. But this is now for the scenarios where you want to send to one specific person. Scenario number two is in the scenario where you want to send to a blast of people. You have this list. As an example, you're trying to wish your customers in Nigeria happy independence. I'm just using that as an example. That's where now you come into the broadcasts. The broadcasts are right here on the left menu. And once you select broadcasts, you click new broadcasts, where you will come and choose SMS as the option that you want to use to send. So I'm going to use maybe a test Kenya campaign as the name. Step number two is I choose the list that I would want to send these messages to. In the near future, we're also going to have the ability to send to everyone, or to choose that specific people that you want to send this campaign to. For maybe the sake of this list, let me select the test list. Keep in mind you can choose more than one list. Then after that, you can add a template. Adding a template is like, what SMS do you want to send? From trembi.com via broadcasts. So you would have to give it a template name and the body. Now once that is done, just come right here to next, where you would now choose the time that you would want to send that message. That you can either send it now or 1 minute from now, tomorrow. You're the one to just choose the appropriate time to send that. For this case, let me maybe, since it's 1:38, let me maybe say 1:39 is when I want this message to be sent. Keep in mind that you also have the option to add recurring messages. So when you want a message to be sent over and over and over again, But for this case, let me just say I want it sent right now. So all I do is select the list, then launch the campaign. Automatically at that given point in time, that message will be delivered over to these people. So like I said, scenario number 1 is under the contact section where you're sending to a given individual. Scenario number 2 is where you're sending to a broadcast, a list of people that you're trying to send communication to at the same time. So that is scenario number 2. Now the beauty with Trembi is we go ahead and also capture information like who has clicked, who has opened, what transpired after we sent that message. The reason we do that is we know you're sending messages to get some kind of result. We know you're sending this maybe to get more sales, maybe to get for people to watch, to raise some kind of awareness. So why Trembi captures this extra information just so we help you understand what is going on after the messages have been sent. We also availed you a couple of statistics. So this is just in the process of sending, but the stats are right here within the very dashboard. From here, now segment number 3 is the inbox section. The inbox also has this is like a joint network, a platform where all the messages, whether it's WhatsApp, whether it's email, whether it's live chat, or the SMSs are all coming to. So any messages sent and received are all logged within the same place. So within this very section, you could as well see someone has maybe sent a message and you're in position to respond back to them within this very section. So that is now option number 3. And most importantly, which is option number 4, is what they call the analytics. We know you're sending out these messages to get some kind of result. So our end-to-end analytics kind of give you an overview. Do you know how many people have you added to the system of those people? Where are they from? What are the lead sources? How did they respond to you? What did they click? What happened after you sent in these messages? Were there any meetings? Were there any sales? Did any people visit our store that we avail to you if you want the store made available to you? Did any revenue come out of that at the end of the day? At the core of what we're doing is just providing one solution that gives you an end-to-end platform that helps you market and drive real sales. So SMS is just one of the functions that we have, and this video is just to guide you on how exactly it would work for you. So in case you have any questions, please feel free to leave comments. Anything in the comment section will surely be in position to respond, but in addition to that, we'll also leave our phone number in the comment section and on the screen. But maybe before we go, keep in mind that in order for you to be able to send messages, you will need some credits deposited, you'll need money deposited. Now we have 2 kinds of plans. There's some people who are already using Trembi as their marketing and sales service. As a default, part of their subscription comes with some emails, some SMSs, some WhatsApp credits already available as part of their package. But if you're not interested in these other services, you have the leeway. In fact, some of these plans are right here. You can choose from any of these and be in position to pay for that. But for those who don't need those extra services, all you have to do is go direct here under credits. And under credits, you'll be in position to buy SMSs. SMS credits are right here. Like I said, we have emails, we have AI, we have contacts, we have products, so many other things. But just look for what has the text messages. Once you're there, you'll be in position to choose either these default amounts or select whatever price you want to pay for, and then click buy. Once you select buy, there's some small change that is coming where you'll be in position to select the country you want, and local payment options are available to you using mobile money in Kenya, in Ghana, in Uganda, in South Africa and Nigeria. All the local payment options will be available, but for now, you'll be redirected to our payment option, which will give you the options that are available for you in the different local currencies. So once you're done paying, automatically the credits will be made available to your account, which you can then use to send.